What's up? I would say the biggest question that I get from every one of you is, what do I eat? So I went grocery shopping today, and I'm gonna give you guys a rundown of on a pretty much weekly basis of what I buy, and that's in my fridge and cabinet. So let me show you real quick of everything that's in there. Okay, we got tilapia. I grill that, put some lemon, pepper, and some Zatarans, and it's good. Shrimp. A few different options for breakfast. These are some protein waffles that I freaking love. Whitney likes those ones. They're just regular whole grain. Chicken. I eat so much chicken. Sweet potato fries. Forgive for breast milk. Let's see. Yogurt. Mountains and mountains of yogurt, man. I eat a lot of yogurt. And yeah. What is this? Extra lean turkey patties. I'll be right in there. What is fruit? Blueberries, strawberries, more blueberries, strawberries. They got, that's microwave bacon, but kale and salad, some juice, water. Let's see, soy milk. I mean, this is all literally every week what I buy. Like, I didn't go buy special groceries just to do this video. Like, this is literally everything I buy. A few more things I get is we have just wheat bread, a bunch of bananas. I actually don't normally buy the bagel thins. I normally buy the regular bagels, but they were buy one get one, so I went and bought them. Few of the things I get is this right here, these kashi goleans. One's the cinnamon and one's the honey almond flax. I got some natural peanut butter, some honey, some rice, carnation. I mean, that's legit everything I buy. I'd also buy these for work. They're just regular protein bars. They're by a brand called Pure Protein. I mean, that is legit what I buy every week. So that's just a few ideas maybe to help you. Most everything all my meats I pretty much grill. Shrimp, chicken, burgers, fish, all that I grill. But like that's it, man. Like, we eat pretty much healthy all the time, and you learn how to make healthy taste good. You know, like you learn what goes with what. Last thing is these bad boys. I love this stuff. This is my chocolate, and this is peanut butter marshmallow. That is some delicious stuff. Delicious stuff. Protein shakes. Whitney and I both drink them all the time, and we love our protein. So that's it. That's basically what's in my fridge. For all of you who ask me, what do I eat? There's a place to start. I think I spent 80 bucks today. Filled up my kitchen. So hope that gives you an idea. Until next time guys, peace.